Hi guys! Thank you so much for visiting my channel. This is Jian. Today I'm going to show you the simple whipped cream recipe for flower piping. Whipped cream flowers are perfect for the pies. You can prepare ahead of time and chill it until ready to serve. It's easier than any other recipes. You just need whipped cream and powdered sugar and powdered milk. Before whisking my heavy cream, I chilled my bowl in iced water, so now my stainless bowl is pretty cold. Pour 1 cup of heavy cream. Heavy whipping cream and heavy cream are the same. Pour 1 cup of heavy cream and start whisking with your hand mixer. This recipe is good to make 3 big flowers and 4 small flowers. If you're planning to make a bigger amount, please use stand mixer. Once your bowl is enough chilled, you can take it out from the ice bowl. If you feel it cold, that means your bowl is enough chilled. And whisk the heavy cream until it turns thick. I know the pie will be sweeter than I usually make it because I bought it from the Whole Foods, so I'm not going to add too much of powdered sugar. I add 1 full spoon of powdered sugar, but if you want to make it more sweeter, you can add up to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and add 1.5 spoons of powdered milk. Whisk with the hand mixer and incorporate all the ingredients. Continue to whisk until you see the liquid turn to a thicker cream, and also you'll be able to see the peaks. Now the cream seems ready. I'm going to soften with the spatula and remove some air bubbles. And I'm going to keep my whipped cream in a cold water bowl with a couple of ice cubes. The perfect temperature is around 65 to 66 Fahrenheit. I am going to use piping tip number 80 from Ateco. This is same shape as 81. It's slightly bigger, so if you want to make a bigger petals, you can use number 80. I mentioned this earlier, I used organic whipped cream and it turned out too yellow. So I made another batch by using regular heavy cream with the same recipe with same ratio. Pipe a small amount of whipped cream on your flower nail or a cup upside down and put a parchment paper and pipe a base. Start piping the petals from bottom to top. Start with 3 to 4 petals at the beginning, and the next round make the petals slightly taller than the previous layers. Continue to pipe until you reach to 5 to 6 layers. Start opening up your petals around your 6th to 7th layers by adding shorter petals but slightly open the tip of the petals. Place it on the tray and chill it until ready to serve. While you're piping chrysanthemum, check it from the top, and if there's any spot that looks flat, you can always spin back and add more petals on that spot and continue piping the chrysanthemum. Now I'm going to serve the pie. I will slice the pie and gently place the flowers on my pie. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe my channel. I'll come up with more tutorials.